Hello everyone, my name is Pat. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2001 Mazda B4000. Starts up with no problems. The vehicle has only 86,000 miles on it. Let's do our windows check. Alright, so the windows are good. On the rear bumper, it's got a few scratches. Looks like a few they've been touched up. A couple over here. Another scratch over here that's been touched up. Front bumper also has a few scratches that have been touched up. Couple over here that wasn't. Alright, let's take a step back so we can see the whole thing. Okay. Bed liner looks great. Nice and clean. Doesn't appear to be all scratched up or anything. Alright, that's locked, so we'll go ahead and start on the other side. We'll just move the front seat up a bit. So in the back, nice and clean. Has the two small tuck-away seats. The driver's seat is in good condition. Second fold-away seat. passenger seat is in good condition. Okay, so next we're going to check the lights and tires. To check the tires, I have this tool right here, which is going to measure the tread in 30/2 of an inch. Hang on, let me, I think that's a fog light here. Let me just... Alright, so yeah, let's check the tire tread. First tire is going to be 10/32 of tread. You've got the headlights, fog lights, the right turn signal. Second tire here is going to be 11/32. This tire here also 11/32. Got the right rear turn, running lights, and the license plate light. Well, one's out, so we'll replace that bulb. And this tire here, 11/32. Front left turn and the high beams. And the rear left turn. Alright, let's check the AC and the radio. Alright, so radio works. AC is blowing out cold. Try the heat real quick. And it is blowing out hot. All right. I think we're ready to go for a test drive. We're going to start out and put it in four-wheel drive low. And you can see the lights come on. Okay, so the four-wheel low is working. Four-wheel high. No problems with the four-wheel high. Now into two-wheel, let's go reverse. No problems with reverse. So as I shifted into 4-wheel low and then into 4-wheel high, reverse into drive, everything shifted very smoothly. There was no hesitation or noises. No problems getting up to speed. Feels good going over the bumps. The suspension makes it very comfortable. Alright, so last, we have 2 sets of keys for the vehicle, 2 keys and 2 fobs. So they both work. So that was the 2001 Mazda B4000 4x4. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell so you can receive notifications. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.